America. Made in America.
Alright guys, look at this beast. This thing's pretty big. So this is the new 2019 big old bad boy Ram 2500. Yeah, I'm near the freeway, you can tell. She's a beast. Big old strapper. So being a 2500 Ram Tuck, you would really think that this bad boy would have a 6.7 diesel in it, but it does not. Even though it does have a fifth wheel on this bad boy, we are talking 6.4 liter Hemi, y'all. Yeah. Doesn't quite have as much torque as the diesel, of course, but this bad boy can still do it. Yeah, man. She's still a beast. And for probably about $15,000 less than you can get the diesel one out. So, not bad, you know. $56,000 price tag, plus Uncle Sam out the door, versus probably say 75-ish. Alright guys, so we got the new Ram Rebel trucks. Now these guys are going to come out with a TRX version of Ram Rebel. Now those guys are supposed to have the big Hemi in it. So, yeah, that definitely will not suck, man. We have these things in a variety of colors. But, yeah, stay tuned for that big Hemi truck, man. Those TRXs, if you ever look up a 2019 TRX Ram Rebel truck, yeah, those things are brutal, man. They're supposed to come out with like a 6.2 supercharged version, kind of like the Hellcat engine. But, yeah, we'll see if that actually happens. Yeah, they kind of teased us when they were at SEMA. They had a Ram Rebel TRX truck there at SEMA, the big supercharged engine. It's pretty cool. Full off-road version, got the beadlock wheels, got the roll bar, got the 2 extra tires in the back for doing a little bit of off-road. And oh yeah, this thing was pretty trick. I must have one. I mean, I'm sure it's probably going to be a $90,000 to $100,000 truck, but you know, hey, what's money, right? Yeah, not on my salary. But who knows? Maybe one day, right? We will go from there. But yeah, definitely Google up that 2019 Ram Rebel TRX. You will love it. There's a burgundy one on there on the Google search. It's pretty badass. You have to check it out.